Hello everyone, welcome to the Cardiac Wire Show from AHA Scientific Sessions 2024, and we're going to be talking about Echo AI in this conversation with Dr. Nobu Kageyama from Juntendo University in Tokyo. Dr. Kageyama has a really interesting study coming out that he's presenting at AHA, and we're here to talk to him about the presentation, so please tell us.
Thank you, Jake, for introducing me. And this time we conducted a randomized trial called AI Echo RCT. This is a randomized study in which we assigned sonographers to the use of AI tool, which is called Us2 AI, and normal traditional workflow of echocardiograms. And the reason or motivation that we started this study was that there's so much demand for examinations in many echo laboratories. And this increased or too much demand has put huge stress on many echo laboratories. And the burnout and overwork of sonographers are, one of the biggest problems in many echo laboratories. So we hypothesized that Us2 AI might reduce this workload and mitigate their stress.
Got it. So tell me what the primary results that you found.
So primary results this time focused on examination efficiency. And we found that the examination time per one study reduced by the use of Us2 AI. And also found that the number of examinations performed per day increased.
That's amazing. So that's basically addressed your primary challenge in the Echo Labs, which is efficiency.
Right.
I'm curious if that improved efficiency and just the use of Us2 AI had any other impacts on kind of the more clinical aspects of these exams.
Thank you for asking that. That is one of the very interesting points in my study and in our study. And what we found, aside from the primary endpoint, is that actually the use of this Us2 AI technology improved the image quality on the AI days. And also, despite this increased workload, they performed more echo and they performed faster echo. However, despite this, their mental fatigue was actually mitigated, actually reduced.
So by using AI, they performed echoes faster, they performed more echoes per day, they were less burned out, and their image quality was greater.
Yeah, exactly. At least their mental fatigue was reduced, indicating that AI support reduces their cognitive load of measuring something. And also, I think the reason why this software improved the image quality was that, although this software is not designed to help sonographers' acquisition, the reason why this improved the image quality was that they were able to focus more on image acquisition rather than measuring something.
Right, that makes sense. It's really astounding results. I'm curious, so a lot of times we see a lot of AI research, and then there's the big question after that is like, okay, what's the impact in the real world?
Yeah.
When you envision how this might work in in your echo lab, or as it expands to other echo labs, what are the expected impacts that you think it will have?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I agree that there's so many AI studies done in experimental environment, but not have really achieved clinical impact. However, our results suggest that this kind of, for example, Us2 AI and other AI solutions may help, streamline the workflow and actually reduce their stress. So this time we showed that this software can reduce time for examination, which will ultimately be connected to the change in change in their work, content of their work. I mean, this time we did more examinations using the time that is added by the use of AI. However, in clinical practice, they may be able to do something different, like discussing about the patient treatment option, or discussing the patient disease status with cardiologists, or such kind of more engaging human-centered work. Then these change in or I mean this shift from the mere simple tasks to more clinically enriching tasks may motivate them and potentially boosting job satisfaction.
That's really encouraging. And I mean, if you think about it, if bringing Echo AI can solve the major problem around productivity while giving better job satisfaction and leading to better patient-facing care, that's pretty special. So thank you so much. Really impressive what you were able to do with the Us2 AI algorithm. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And thanks for tuning in, everybody. We'll catch you next time.
Thank you.